Hi, welcome back to my channel. I didn't do an intro for this video, but let's just jump right into it, shall we? It was my mom's birthday, so we were celebrating with her. We went to this very cool restaurant in Ljubljana called Uživaj, and our friend works there, so he recommended all the foods we ate, and it was so good. This is tuna with avocado and some other thingies. I do not know, but it was very delicious. For the main course, we had steak, and it was so deliciously made, so hats down to you, Max. This was such a delicious experience. We enjoyed it very much, and it was an amazing experience for my mom's birthday. Then we had some dessert. I had souffle, and my mom had a chocolate and strawberry cake, and here she is enjoying it. And here's me enjoying my souffle. Look at the chocolate. Oh, it was so good. And here's the next day. It was another food busy day with my friend Yuri. We are in Slovenia trying the new sushi place. It looks good, it smells good, and we're gonna see. Slytherin! Oh my god, yeah, a little Slytherin. Proud boy, proud Malfoy. Sashimi, big ticket. Of course. Look at that.
Makro.
Ajde, probaj.
Še pridemo.
The salmon is fresh and nice. And I just noticed this vlog is just eating, but I support that. That's great. Dobar tik.
Matcha ice cream?
Yeah, have a taste test. One more time. We already did it, but
Oh yes.
it's good.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a mochi with matcha as well. Maybe the chocolate is a bit too much. Delicious. I love it. You may have noticed that I am wearing a very special necklace in this video, and it's this beautiful piece from Hey Happiness, who is actually sponsoring this video, so let's check them out. I gave one of the necklaces to my mom because it was her birthday. She was very happy. It was a gold necklace with the letter K because her name is Katja and my name is Kaja. So she's a golden girl, but I'm more of a silver girl, so I wear silver jewelry, and I got this one for myself, and then I got another one, but let's unbox another one because I completely forgot what I ordered. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That is absolutely perfect for me. I love this yin yang sign, and I am going to wear it so much. I am in love. Thank you so much to Hey Happiness for supporting my channel and for sending me these beautiful necklaces. Now, if you want one for yourself, you can go check them out at heyhappiness.com, and of course, I can't get this out. Of course, I got a coupon code for you. Here it is. Oh, look, so beautiful. I am obsessed. There's two coupon codes. One is Kaja12, which is only available until tomorrow. I was a bit late doing this video, but they hooked us up with another coupon code, which is Kaja10, and can get you 10% off when you spend over 29 euros, which is not gonna be hard because their stuff is gorgeous. Go check it out. Once again, that's heyhappiness.com, and coupon codes Kaja10 and Kaja12. Oh god, look at that. It's so beautiful. Anyway, let's continue with the video. A historical moment. Look at that. We're changing my, what's this called? Covers. Look at that. It's destroyed. Here's the new one. It's gonna be so pretty. So cute. After spring, when I changed the hard roof, when I put this off and put the convertible back on, I'm gonna do a full video about my car. You can't see it, but it's a Z4. I had someone comment that they have a Z3, and that's amazing. I love you, brother. So I'm gonna do a full video on my light on my gorgeous car. His name is Shaggy. I have the plates as well. I'm gonna show that. My plates go Shag. It's awesome. And my dad's plates are my name. Hell yeah. We're a BMW family. And here's my dad. Had his birthday today, so happy birthday, Dad.
Yeah, thank you.
I have a light. Ooh! He's on. Yeah! It's for Dad, so he can see. Yeah, what did I want to say? I've had this car for 2 years. It's gonna be 2 years. 3? 3, I think it's 3, yeah. And I love it very much. It is my love. Here's the old one. Oh my god, my hairs are shaking. It's so cool. Yeah, that's satisfying. Koliko je zelo mrzlo? 3. It's 3 degrees Celsius, so it's so cold. It's shiny. For my little Shaggy. Yours looks nice though. Let's see when we have to do the whatever this is. Next service due. Look at that machine. It's so pretty. Purr like a baby. Car girlies. Oh. Adorable. He is a mechanic dad, so he's both. You have like photos? Oh, only stickers.
Not only stickers.
You don't have these photos anymore, yeah. There was huge floods last year, when? August? And this entire thing was full of water to the ceiling. Everything was cleaned out and now it's back again. He's got his bikes here. Amazing. The orange. And the Honda. Cute. Keep it away. Аз го продал. He sold his bike. This was his previous bike. So he switched to a Honda. Way more comfy though. This is comfy. Look at all those tickets. My god. Jesus. 222. This one is probably ours, yeah.
Yeah, too simple.
Yeah, too. It's pink! I support that. It's a man's sport, but they have a pink ticket. I have to explain why he has all these. A mechanic for Yamaha, but we used to go to MotoGP races as well years back. It was so much fun. Now he collects these tickets with passes. So many. We have to do a video from the races this year. At least one. Yeah, we're gonna visit him and see what's going on in the paddocks. I used to go. I was a huge fan of MotoGP and motorcycling years ago.
BMW experience.
This is when we this is when we went to the winter experience with BMW. I also did a vlog about that, so I'll put some in 2016 to 17.
2001, I think. Press. 2008. Yes.
You're Sid. Why Sid though?
Because nobody can say Zdravko.
This is his legal name, Zdravko. Nobody can read that because it's such a difficult word, so they call him Sid. Easier.
Much easier.
Yeah.
You can follow him on Instagram if you're interested in the motorbikes, because he posts a lot from everywhere he goes. Yeah, my dad is also an influencer, okay? And then he drives a Honda. Every time I talk about my car on my channel, something dies in it. Last time I had an issue with the, what's it called? Accumulator. And we have to change that, and now a flat tire, so that's fun. Here's a new one. Here she comes. Listen. When we showed this thing, no joke, my personal mechanic, we love it. I love him so much. He always comes to help. And somehow, luckily, every time my car dies, I'm somewhere near my dad. So it's fixed.
Pit stop.
I'm at my mom's. I have to whisper because she's already asleep. But I was in Miller and I got a few things for art. I got this pencil. It's very cute. Made in Japan, I guess. It's a pink pencil. I want to get back into art. I'm gonna take a sketchbook and I'm gonna show you some of my old art. I got these liners, water and a fade resistant. So that's gonna come in handy. Was this inspired by PewDiePie's last video? Maybe. They're these liners. Very durable. ASMR. I got this drink and it's really good. It's with rose flavor and basil seeds. Now I'm gonna read for a while and then I'm gonna fall asleep. Also, I have to show you my kitty. She's right here with me on my bed right now, chilling on my pajamas. It's the next day, so I'm gonna show you the stuff that I got from Primark. Got some stuffies and I'm gonna show it to you. I got kind of like into hair care a lot in the last few days because I want my hair to grow, even though I just bleached it, but I will be trying to take care of my scalp. So what I got was this scalp massager. It was €1.80, really cheap, awesome. For your scalp to massage the oils in or whatever. Next thing I got was this detangler comb for like in the shower. It's really like wide, so it will be gentle on the hair while it's wet. I'm gonna keep this in the shower to detangle my hair while I'm washing it. Very cute, and everything is pink and I love it. I got this towel. I don't know why I got it. Is this cute towel for when your hair is wet, because I like to like keep it in a towel for a while before I dry it. It's gonna come in handy. I could do a full video on my hair care someday, maybe. Next thing is these rubber bands, because I wanted to do like little pigtails on the top of my head and I needed these. And then this micro needling tool, which I'm not sure how safe this is because it's still needles, but I got it because I thought it looked cool. And like, you can sell me anything that's kind of like, oh my god, professional skincare. Yeah. I'm probably only gonna use this like 2 times and then forget about it, but it's still a cute, oh god, it feels cheap. Oh, anyway, the original ones are like €100 plus, and this was I think like 14. Yeah, 14 euros. Really cheap. Probably not gonna work well. You even get a charger with it. And that's awesome. I thought it was battery powered, but I guess it's not. It's soft and squishy. And then it has these two. So this is also gonna be good for my scalp. Oh, that feels good. I mainly bought this because I'm gonna use this on my scalp, because it helps oils to absorb into your scalp. Yeah, this is bullshit. I don't know how this cleans your skin better than like regular cleansers, but if anyone knows, please let me know. Then the last thing I got is, no, it's not the last, organizer for my brushes. Oh, and it spins. Oh. So I'm gonna put my makeup into this, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks in my bathroom. Primark has actually good quality beauty blenders, and you can get these for 5 euros, and you have like, how many are there? Like 20? 15. And they're really good. The original beauty blenders are a bit too hard for me. You have the, what are they called? Real Techniques beauty blenders. Those are really good in my opinion. I'm gonna leave them in this bag, but I'm just gonna show you one. How do I open this? See, they're nice and soft, and after they're wet, they're even better. So I really recommend the even though they smell. Oh, they smell kind of like candy for some reason. But I've been using these for quite a while, and they're good because they're cheap. But yeah, that's the stuff I got from Primark. That's the entire haul. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I like doing these kind of random daily vlogs where I just show you what I do. So please let me know if you like that. I want to do other stuff as well, but I think like currently I need to get back into the grind because I kind of lost. I mean, I always get lost during Vlogmas because it's just so much, and you have to vlog every single day, and you do every single day. So it's a lot finding new things to do. But yeah, if you have any suggestions on what you want to see me doing next, leave them down below. I will be reading your comments soon, so I'm gonna do a video where I just go through the comments and read a few of them. But anyway, that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias, on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I still don't know how to do an English outro. Bye.